Welcome to Junnediya Institute of Information Technology. Diploma in Computer Applications, Business Accounting and Multilingual DTP is the name of your course. You are doing Module 1 IT Tools and Business Systems. Windows XP, MS Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, MS Access, DOS and Linux are the software you are going to learn. My name is Kayum sir. So that's assignment number 11 we are going to do. It is once again Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is starting. Microsoft Word has started. So now it says create a table in a Word as below. So the table, you look here, the table, creating the table, we go to insert menu, and then from insert menu we select this table. We have roll number, name, marks, 5 columns. So I selected 5 columns. Yeah, this is the first one. Now see, I have not selected all the rows, 6 rows plus heading row, but I have just selected the first row. I will start typing here itself. That is roll number. Roll number. I will press shift for NO, and then name, and then marks in physics, and then marks in chemistry. Then total. Well, I have shortened it, chemistry and physics. You don't do it, you type in full. Then let us learn how to decrease and increase the width of the column. You see in the guideline that the roll number column is smaller. So how to make it smaller? Go here, you will find the mouse pointer like this and drag it towards the left. Then the column has become smaller. Then this column too is smaller, and then this column is also a little bit smaller, but chemistry is lengthier. Well, this is how to make the column width. Like that we can also change the row height equally proportionally to both the rows, like this. Then we will click here. Now the number 1, I will select it from home menu and I will click to this automatic numbering. Automatic number is coming. Then press tab, you type Ritu here, then tab, and then the marks are 80, 70 in the chemistry. Total, we will wait for that one. Then automatically number 2 is coming here. Rohit is the next name. Marks are 70, tab, press the tab key, and 80 in chemistry. Tab again, then Amit, then tab again, 60 in physics, 50 in chemistry. Number 4 is Rakesh, and then the marks are 40. He is securing less marks, and 60 in chemistry. 50. Number 5 is Nitin. Yes, backspace to delete. I must press tab first and then type it here, Nitin, in appropriate column. Well, all the names are in the same column. See, 30 and 70, and number 6 Garima. Oops, tab again. Garima is the last student. She has secured 80 in physics and 80 in science. So okay, it says do the following. Just read the instructions on page number 35 of the guideline. That is assignment number 11. It says, do in the total marks column, entries should be calculated using the formulas, and it is the sum of the marks in physics and marks in chemistry. So what will you do? First click it here, then go to layout menu. from the layout menu you will see formula here, and formula, it says already there is a sum formula which is correct one. Sum of the left values, whatever the values in the left are, that will be totaled, summed, and it will be put in the cursor where the cursor is. So repeat it, just repeat sum of the left, oh, it is calculating the sum of the above, so I will select and delete and say sum of the left. Again it should be left, like that, sum of the type left here, so that it is calculating automatically sum of the left. Once again let me press, I pressed F4 here to repeat the above. It is F4, pressing F function 4 is a repeat command in Microsoft Word. So let me read the second option. Okay, it says insert a new row. So we are in the last cell of the table. If you press tab key here, it will automatically give you a last one more blank row. I will delete the 7 number here. I will type grand total here to get the grand total of the marks, TOTAL, and press tab. Here what I will do, I will sum up the above values. Here I am not changing, we want the total of these all above values, so click it here. 770 is the grand total of the marks. Now it says sort the table based on total marks. So based on the total marks, we need to sort. Sorting means putting the records in order. So this is the sort button. What will happen, this 150 and 160 will go down, and 100 and 100 110 will come above. This person Rakesh will come, Rakesh and Nitin should have come first. So click it here. Now you see that it is according to the roll number. It is saying, I say it is according to the total marks. Now it says you have a header row. Yes, it is a header row we are having. Click on OK. So it's, you see that Rakesh has come on the top, Nitin on the top, then 110, 150 wala, and 160 person who is securing, more marks are going down. So this is how this is called sort, putting the records in order. Sort the table based on total marks. The date and heading should be center aligned. We have not put the date and heading, so this is called the heading. I will select it here. It should be, it says it should be in center align. So how will you center align? Press Control plus Control, hold down the Control key and hit E key. Look that this all have come in the center, and I will also make them as bold also. It should be the date, because there is no date. I will put the date. Well, now how will you write on the top of the page, since the table has occupied? So what do? You select the table first here, and then cut it, Control and X, press enter 2-3 times, then paste it. So you will have space here. Now you can go to insert menu, and then you can have the date inserted. Today is Sunday 20th, right? So now it says heading should be in bold and underline. All the heading I will select once again. It is already bold. Now I will make it underline also. You can also press, I will press Control and U shortcuts, and then date is also center line. So I will select, it is even if you don't this is not necessary to select all the date. You can click also and press this button. This is Control E. So I will press Control E, and I will select all this line once again, so that I can make it font size bigger, and I will make it also bold and also underline. So this is your practical is complete.